Hello, Mela.
Hello, teacher.
Good afternoon. How are you, Mela?
I'm good.
Okay, that's good to know. What did you do today? What
Go
did
to
you do?
school.
Oh, you went to school. What about after our class?
Go to school.
Oh, you have another. Okay, you have another class after this. Did you sleep? Did you sleep in the afternoon, Mela?
No.
Oh, no, you did not. Okay, I see. So now let us start right away so you will still have time to rest before school. Okay, let me share now. And yes, we will continue talking about sports, right? Can you tell me again what sport this is? What's she playing, Mila? What's she doing? Can you still remember it, Mila?
Um, well,
Okay, yes, that is right. What about this one?
soccer.
Is it soccer? But you cannot carry the ball in soccer, right? You have to kick it.
Teacher, wait me minute.
Okay.
Okay, teacher.
So now let us continue, Mila. Okay. Can you tell me again what sport this?
Uh, Soccer.
No, it's not soccer, Mela. You cannot carry the ball in soccer, right?
Uh, uh,
This is oval. This is an oval ball, not a round ball.
uh, Ball. Okay.
It's rugby. Rugby, Mela. Okay,
Oh,
next
okay.
one. What about this? What sport
Uh,
is it?
Tennis.
Okay, what about this one?
Um, Baseball.
Okay, yes, baseball. What about this?
Basketball.
Okay, a basketball. And the last one we have.
Soccer.
Yes, it's soccer. Thank you. Now let us have this one, Mela. So we've talked about this last time. Let me see if you can still remember it. Okay, so we'll practice and tell me which of the items on the list are places where you watch sport and which are places where you play it. Okay, do you get the instruction, Mela? Wait, let me translate it for you first.
Hãy cho gia sư của bạn biết những mục nào trong danh sách là nơi bạn xem thể thao và những mục nào là nơi bạn chơi thể thao.
Okay. Okay, Mela. Mela.
Okay.
Okay. So now let us start. Okay, so when we say on TV, Mela, is it a place where you watch sport or a place where you play it?
Um,
What do you think?
um,
Is it a place where you watch sport or a place where you play that certain sport?
Sport.
What, Mela? I can't hear you clearly. What place is it, Mela? Place where you watch sport or place where you play it? Wait, let me translate it again for you, Mela. Are you sleepy?
Hãy cho gia sư của bạn biết những mục nào trong danh sách là nơi bạn xem thể thao và những mục nào là nơi bạn chơi thể thao.
Okay, now, not again, Mela.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so when we say on TV, it's
Watch sport.
okay, very good. It's a place where you watch sport. Okay, now on a field.
Can you translate the field?
Oh, okay. Wait.
Trên một cánh đồng.
Play sport.
Okay, yes, that is correct. Now, what about in a stadium?
Uh, Can you translate
Stadium.
the stadium?
Okay, wait, I'll show you the picture again. We've talked about this one last time already, Mela. I see that you have forgotten most of it again.
Uh,
Okay, so this is the
okay, okay,
stadium.
okay.
It's
What a play sport.
okay, yes, it is a place where you can play sport, and at the same time, it is a place where you can watch sport. Okay, now what about in a gym? In a gym.
Uh, uh, play sport.
Okay, yes, it's a place where you play sport. Now what about online? Online, Mela. Mela?
Uh, play watch sport.
Okay, what about on a court? Like basketball court, tennis court, pickleball court. What is it, Mela? Are you sleeping?
Can you translate on a court?
Oh, okay. Now, on a court. This one, Mela, this is the court, Mela.
Uh,
Like basketball court,
okay,
tennis
okay.
court. What is it? What is it, Mela?
Uh,
Mela?
is a play sport.
Okay, yes, it's where you can play it. What about on the beach? Beach.
Play sport.
Okay, and on a golf course. Golf course.
Um, of course, is a play sport.
Okay, yes, it's where you can play sport. Okay, now can you tell me what is it, Mela?
Uh,
Yes, Mela.
uh, a basketball.
Yes, it is a ball. Yeah, basketball, Mela. What about this one? We have
Uh,
what what
the
are
shoes.
these? Okay, yes, we have
Shoe.
shoes. Now what about this one, Mela?
Golf.
Okay, so we have here a club. A club, Mela. The one that you use to play sport to hit the ball. Okay, that is what you call club. Okay?
Okay.
Now, next one, what about this? What is it?
Tennis.
Okay. Now, we call it racket, Mela. Tennis is the game. Tennis is the game, but this one, the equipment that you use when playing that sport, it is racket. Okay, racket. Okay, not tennis,
Racket.
Mela. Now, what about this one?
Um, Uh, I don't know.
You don't know. Okay, so it is a myth,
I
Mela.
know, I know this is a baseball, but I don't know
The name.
the yeah.
Oh, that is fine, Mela. At least now we are discovering new words. So next time when you were asked, you know what that is? What is it, Mela? It's a mitt, it's a racket, it's a club. Okay, now what about this one? What is it?
Uh, baseball.
It's a baseball. Baseball is the game. But what about this one? It's a bat, Mela. That's why it's called
Okay.
baseball bat. Okay? Bat. Okay, so now let us practice. Can you tell me again what's this? What is it, Mela?
Basketball.
Okay, very good. What about these? What are these?
I choose
Okay, yes, shoes. What's this?
a racket.
Very good, Mela. What's this?
Um,
It has the same name as those animals that you can see.
a bat. Bat.
Yes, it is a bat. What about this one?
Uh,
What?
a meat.
Yes, it's a mitt. And the last one?
Uh, I know.
It's a glove. Glove.
Yes, okay.
Okay, so there you have it, Mela. Now let us proceed to the dialogue. Okay, so in here you will be answering questions after Mela. So let us see, what sports do you like playing, Haruto?
I like playing basketball.
Where do you usually play it?
I usually play on a court.
What equipment do you need to play basketball?
Uh, I don't need a lot of equipment. I just need shoes and a ball.
What sports do you like watching?
Uh, I really like watching tennis.
Where do you watch it?
Um,
Where do you watch it? I
I
usually.
usually watch it on TV.
Very good. Now let us check your understanding. What sports does Haruto like playing?
A basketball.
What equipment does Haruto need to play the sport? What does he need to play this sport, Mela?
A basketball.
A ball and
A ball. And, uh,
what do we need in order to play basketball? We need a ball and
um,
what do
yeah.
you Okay, we need shoes and a ball, Mela. Okay, so now what sports does Haruto like watching?
Tennis.
Okay, yes. Thank you so much for that, Mela. Now let us proceed to exercise 5 matching. Tell me the correct answer to each question. Okay, what sport do you like playing?
I like playing sport.
Very good. Do you like playing rugby? Do you like playing rugby?
No, I don't.
Where do you usually play tennis?
Um, I usually play tennis on a court.
Okay, very good. Do you usually play on a court?
Uh, yes, I do.
What equipment do you need to play basketball? What equipment do you need to play basketball, Mela?
I need shoes and a ball.
Okay, very good. I need shoes and a ball. Do you need shoes to play volleyball? Do you need shoes to play basketball, volleyball? Mela.
Uh, wait. No, I don't.
Okay, yes, that is correct. What are you doing? We'll now have exercise 6, fill in the blanks, and here you will be, you know. Okay, so we have play, like, watch, watching, in, and need. Okay, let us start, Mela. What sports do you like playing, you know?
I like I like playing golf.
Where do you usually play it?
Uh,
I usually,
I usually uh
I usually blank on a golf course. I
usually play on a golf
okay,
course.
I usually play on a golf course. What equipment do you need to play it?
Uh,
I don't need.
I don't need a lot of equipment. I just need you, a ball, and a golf club.
What sports do you like watching?
Uh,
I really like
I really like play basketball.
watching, Mela. What do you like watching? Okay, I really like watching baseball. Where do you watch it? I usually, Mela.
I watch, but I usually watch it online, but sometimes I watch it in a stadium.
Okay, yes, thank you so much. That is correct. Now, I believe that would be all it for our class, Mela, so you can relax, okay? Thank you so much. Goodbye, Mela.
Bye, teacher.